There's a guide on how you can share your internet data with another device. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open settings. You have to open settings on your host device. After opening settings, you have to scroll down and then click on connection and sharing. For me, it's connection and sharing. For you, it can be anything else, but you have to click on this. After that, this page will open up. You have to find the option that says personal hotspot. For me, it's the first option, but for you, it can be anywhere on the screen. Okay. So after finding it, you have to click on that. After that, as you can see, the first option is personal hotspot. You have to toggle this on. Okay. After that, the second option says hotspot settings. It tells you the name of your device and the password of the hotspot. Okay. Now how this works is you have to turn on the Wi-Fi of the other device. Okay. And after turning on the Wi-Fi, you have to find the hotspot that says OnePlus 12R. For me, it's OnePlus 12R, but for you, it can be anything. Most probably your device name. Okay. So you have to find your device name in the Wi-Fi tab and then click on it and then enter the password. Okay. How to Crafter. And that's it. That's how you share your internet data with another device.